Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings. We'd like to offer some tips to beginners running their first 5K. Our advice is simple. It goes like this. No surprises on race day. We'll get into the specifics in a minute, but basically this means knowing what your body and gear are capable of well in advance of getting out there on the course. It means finding a plan that works for you and then running that plan at race time. First off is about your body. No surprises for your body means knowing what you are capable of and what you are not. You are going to have to get out and run, even if it's only at a short distance at first, so you can figure out your cardio situation and your mechanics, meaning how you move. If you've never done a 5K before, give yourself at least 2 months of prep time. Think of it as having a minimum of at least 8 weekends to train. As a goal, though, it might be better to run 2 to 3 times a week, even if it's on an elliptical or treadmill. At first, run when you can, walk when you must, but no matter what, just keep going. Running with a friend is always more fun, and it's a good idea to run at the same time of day as your event. Be sure to train with all the clothing and gear you plan on running in, so it's all well tested before the race. No surprises on race day means having your clothing, socks, and shoes picked out and tested. It's a good idea to find comfy, moisture-wicking clothing to run in. Try to avoid cotton as it collects sweat and takes forever to dry, leaving you feeling soggy and uncomfortable. As far as shoes, choose a light supportive shoe that is suited to the terrain or surface you will be running on in your race. Wear them on your training runs, on terrain that is similar to where your race is, and be observant of any hot spots or blisters that may develop on your feet. To avoid these, perhaps try some anti-chafing balm applied to those areas. It's always nice to know how fast you're going, what your heart is doing, how far you've run, and how much further you have to go. Apps like Runkeeper and Strava can help keep track of your pace and your distance, and devices like our favorite, Garmin watches, can also give you real-time heart rate, pace, distance, and location data as well. Furthermore, running with music is a great motivator and can help keep you on pace. Create a playlist on your phone or on your favorite earbud device that will keep you fired up. No surprises on race day also means knowing what you need as far as hydration and nutrition. Figure out how much water you need during your test runs. Is it super hot where you run? Do you need a hydration pack? Remember, 1 liter of water weighs over 2.2 pounds. If you have a 2-liter CamelBak, that's adding almost 4.5 pounds of weight to your back. Maybe you don't need that much. Perhaps you can rely on the water stations at the event, if they have them, or a smaller hydration belt or vest. If you plan to bring any energy supplements like gels or chews, make sure you try them out on your test runs to make sure you know how they affect you, especially your tummy. And speaking of which, no surprises on race day means don't try any new meals the night before or morning of your race. For instance, if you're not used to running with Clams Casino or coconut curry shrimp in your tum-tum, it's probably not a good idea to try them for the first time right before the big day. On the morning of, try to drink water right when you get up and have a small bland meal like a plain bagel around 3 hours before your race starts. This allows things to settle and give you time for the ever-important and our favorite PGD. Yes, we're not kidding. Allow yourself time to take the pre-game dump in the comfort and solace of your bathroom at home. This way you can avoid the prospect of needing to go number 2 at the start line, or even worse, in the middle of your race. So we hope this advice helps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Links to gear and supplement suggestions are below, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We look forward to hearing from you, but until that time, remember, as always, train hard, have fun.